Hi guys, welcome to this video training. So in this video training, I'll be taking you guys on how to build your opt-in page or your lead gen page. An opt-in page is a page that you use to capture your visitors' email list, and then you start promoting affiliates related products to them after you've gotten their email list. So opt-in page is more or less like is a lead gen ad that allow you to give your customer, maybe be it a free ebook, a software, video course, or anything in exchange of what? Of their contact, which is their email. Then afterward, you can promote affiliate marketing products to them and make money from the list. So that is an opt-in page. Now, for us to do so, I'm on my WordPress account, my back-end WordPress account, and for the purpose of this training, I will be making use of my Profit Builder plugin to design a beautiful opt-in page. So let's dive into it. Now we'll come to pages. Once we come to pages, we click on Add New. Then we'll give it a name, title. Let's give it today's lead gen. Today's lead gen. So afterwards, you scroll down. It depends. You can make use of any plugin or any website builder to do so. But for the purpose of this training, I'm making use of Profit Builder. You can use of Insta Builder, Kyview, ClickFunnels, and many more. Now, so the template, you come to template, then you change it. You change it to Profit Builder Full Width page. After that, you click on Publish. Awesome. Now we need to view our new page. It's loading. Wow. You can see our new page is sent in now. Now the magic will soon begin. But before that, we are going to reproduce this page I'm about to show you. This page, I've designed this before. This is an opt-in page as well. Let me show it to you guys. So you can see we are going to reproduce this same opt-in page. So for us to do that, it's that simple, guys. So let me go back to our blank today's lead gen page that we haven't put anything on. What you are going to do for me on this page is to click on this icon, this Profit Builder, activate Profit Builder icon. You click on it. Wow. So then you click on this red plus sign. We can choose anyone. We can make use of 2 column, 3 column, 4, 5. But for this purpose, I'm going to make use of 1 column. So that has been done. But before that, let me adjust this a bit by clicking on this pencil icon. I'll adjust it a bit. So let it come down a bit. So I'll click on this pencil icon. Then I click on this top padding to make it come down a bit. Okay, let's see. Now it's okay. Now after that, I'll give it a color. I have to color it to make it more professional and beautiful. You know, the initial page I showed you was blue in color. For the sake of this training as well, we are going to make use of blue color. So we will scroll down to what? To color, background color. To background, you can see. Now we will click on color. We need blue for the purpose of this training, so we need to look for blue color. It's not yet blue. Blue, not yet deep. I want it let's see how we get that. I think this is a little bit fair, but this is a little bit fair. So now that I've given it a color, let's continue with our work. Now we need to duplicate this same column, first column. Let's duplicate it. It has come to 2 now. But before that, let me adjust it. Let me shift it closer. I don't want any margin at all. I want it to be closer to the topper one. So this is what I do. I'll come here, then adjust it. So it's moved up now. It's awesome now. Then I can continue the duplicating. So I'll duplicate it one more time, making it 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's stop at that. Now we need to put in our content. So this is what we want to reproduce. This is the site we want to reproduce. This content, this what, this ebook cover, and what, our opt-in form. So those are the 3 things we are going to use to do that. Now we need to add our text. We click on this plus sign as well. This is the text element. You just need to play around with all these tools for you to master them. So we click on the text element. So let's change the color to white. So the color is white now. Awesome. After that, the text style. We need to change the font style. Let's change it. I love using Lucida. So let's make use of Lucida. Let's look for it. We have the Arial Black, and many more. But for the purpose of this training, we are going to make use of Lucida. So let me type it. Lucida. Awesome. So we need to take away all these text and put in our own text. So this is what we do. We'll come to this place and copy this text. Copy this. We'll come back to our new blank page, then we paste it. So I love it to be in center. So we come here, you click on open in WordPress editor, we click on this, then we make it center. So this color we just need to bring this down a bit. Awesome. So you can see now it's looking more professional. Then you click on save. You can see it's looking more professional now. Congratulations, today is a lucky day. You are among the first 20 people to get free access to Conversion Explosion Report. This report reveals the strategy used by top internet marketers to convert leads to a paying customer. Awesome. So we are progressing. So what next? And remember also, while you are working, please kindly save. You need to click on this button here to save. To only save for you not to lose your work. You have to save. You click on it, you save. Awesome. So what next? We need to put in our image. So you click on this as well. This is the image icon. We click on it. Then we upload our image. The image is already here, but if you don't have the image, you can just come here, you come to upload files, select files, then you just look for any images you want to use on your desktop, then you upload it. It's that easy, but I'm not doing that now. I have the image on my system already. So let me back it not to confuse you guys. So let's upload. Click on upload files. On media library. So we click on media library. Then we look for that image we want to use. Awesome, this is it, Conversion Explosion. We click on it. Then we will select. Awesome. You can see our site is now looking the same with this awesome awesome page we've created initially. So now what next? We need to add in our opt-in form. Then we are done. So let me close this. Now for us to add in our opt-in form, now we need to click on this plus button, on this plus icon. Awesome. So we need to look for our opt-in form now. So you click here, you come to content, or I think it's content. You click on content. No, it's not in content. Let's look at advanced. Advanced. You can see this opt-in. We click on it. Wow, watch the magic. We reproduce that same site already. So with that being said as well, for the purpose of this training, I will just create this sales page alone. I won't be connecting the autoresponder. For being able to connect my autoresponder service to it, I need to log into my GetResponse account and get the code and paste it here and change the name fields to name and email field to email field. For the purpose of this training, I just want to create this page alone for you guys to see how this works. In our previous training as well, I've explained how you guys can do that, how you can generate your opt-in form code in our previous training. This training is just for you to see how we create our opt-in page. So that's it. So let me close this. So anybody that landed on this page, what they will do is just enter their name, their email, click on get instant access, and they'll get any product you want to give to them as a free offer for you to grab their leads, their email. Maybe it's a PDF just like this, or a video training course, or a software. So that's that. Now we've finished creating our opt-in page. What we need to do is just to save. Click on this page and save. Now it has saved. Then we'll click on preview for us to see how it looks. Awesome. You can see, guys, this is how to design a simple, captivating lead gen opt-in page. So that's it, for you to capture your visitor emails and their emails for you to start promoting your affiliate marketing product or your product to them. So that will be all for now, guys. Stay safe.